$1.6 million for a hole in the roof. At nighttime, I can imagine this would be a haunted house. What is it?
This looks like straight out of a horror movie.
It's a huge lion here. Did you watch Breaking Bad?
I did.
This is Jesse Pinkman. Why is this door like bolted? Who is sitting on this chair? Why is there a gasoline container? Adding up into something, man.
Adding value.
In this video, we're gonna find out why anyone in their right minds would pay $1.6 million for this house that has broken walkways. This guy, Richard, you are a great salesman. So if the outside is like this, it can't get any worse, right?
It can get much better.
Okay, good.
Let's go
I
on.
like much better. Wait, Dean, I need to know, is this a design cue or is this?
This is vintage dirt.
No, it looks like dirt, but it also looks pretty. It kind of looks like, you know, in paintings, like when you shade. Okay, come on in. Look at these ground, why is it all like flipped up? Is this wallpaper? Why is it able to just flip
It's
up?
vinyl flooring, kind of
Vinyl
original
flooring?
style vinyl flooring. There's a lot of original in this house, is what we're
Okay,
gonna see.
well, let's take a look throughout the house and then
Well, look, security cage here, so if anybody were to try to break in,
right.
you know, at least you're kind of protected.
Shouldn't this be on the outside so people know not to even break the first window? Because what if they just break the window and realize they can't get in? Now you have a broken window.
The 70s,
Anyways,
man.
let's tour it and then I want you to tell me why someone bought this home.
For sure. So we're gonna step into the first. It's almost like a living room here.
Okay.
And as you can see, it's pretty unfinished. So I was actually the one, along with Richard, who pulled up the carpets just to show
So you got
prospective
rid of
buyers.
everything?
The carpets were in very poor condition. So in order to show prospective buyers who are gonna be either a full renovation or full teardown.
Right. And then there's mattresses here.
We kind of threw these.
Very Breaking Bad, man. This is Jesse Pinkman. Did you watch Breaking Bad?
I did.
This is Jesse Pinkman.
Yeah. But the interesting thing, just to note, a little bit informational, when they built Vancouver Specials, the reason why they were so popular is because the city plans were readily available.
So, Dean, I want to know, why is this square so much cleaner than the area around it?
So when we pulled the carpets, there was another layer of carpet here. So at some point in time, for maybe however long it took to cause this grime, maybe like 10 to 15 years.
But at least the concrete's all in great shape.
Exactly, that's what we wanted to display by pulling the carpet
The
up.
concrete down here is all great.
Yeah, no cracking.
And I don't remember the last time I've seen a vent on the roof like this, especially in the center. What if you're sleeping and there's dust blowing onto your feet or your face?
I mean, when they originally designed it, like there's air filters in the furnace.
Yeah, but there's still dust in the vents. Dust accumulates even with a filter. Like there's no filter right before it comes out of the vent. You're trying to be good, but can't get past this, man. But I don't know, it's sold, so you guys did something, right? And look at this room.
Hey, that's the beauty of
This is the
Vancouver
cotton
house
candy
sales.
room. Why is there so much cotton candy in here?
So this actually displays how homes
Can you turn
are
on this
built.
light?
This one doesn't turn on.
This is not the button.
That
for the
might
light.
be it. Oh yeah, this one turned on. I haven't been here for a while. More security, as we can see.
Why is there no walls, or you took it out?
No, so that's the interesting thing, again, with what I was mentioning with Vancouver Specials. When they originally built and they got the building permit and occupancy permit, because of the way that they're built, there are a certain amount of inches below the ground, like 6 inches or something like that, that actually don't account for the ground floor to be included in the final occupancy square footage.
There's cotton candy everywhere else. And no, why is there one piece of cotton candy here?
I think they use that to pad.
But this is toxic.
You shouldn't froth it up and then smell
or
it.
inhale it. It's toxic. So I don't know why they use this material. These days they don't use this material anymore, right? Or they
no, there's so many new style materials, they don't use this.
Yeah, this is so back then, but they probably didn't have better technology. So this room is what? So this looks like it's supposed to be a bedroom, but it has a boiler in here.
So it would be considered mechanical room, or like I was mentioning, a lot of the East Van Specials, they are unfinished in the basement.
Okay.
And then over the years, they've renovated them and things like that. So that's why modern ones you see, you know, they turn these into rental suites or whatever the case may be.
You take a look at the bathroom by yourself.
Quite original.
Guys at home, imagine what the smell is. Inhale it.
This is bad, man.
Why?
This is just gross.
What is it?
This looks like straight out of a horror movie.
How does this happen? Is this murky water? Hey, look, the sink has gold lining on it. So how long has this been vacant?
It's been vacant now for about 7 months.
Oh.
8 months.
But it's in bad condition because you tore everything up?
No. It was like this. We just took the carpets.
The shower was like that?
Yes, yeah.
So they lived here with the shower like, that's definitely Breaking Bad, man.
For the last few months in its occupancy, the owner was like very elderly, and then they moved her to a care home like near the end of her life.
Okay, I see. Older people are hard to take care of their own homes.
Yeah.
I see.
Yeah.
$1.6 million for a hole in the roof. What is this piping that's coming down? Also, one sec, don't even talk. Move, step aside. There's a door here, which is already not great. But why is there half a door here?
It's a folding door, it's folded in half. It's a closet.
This is a folding door?
Yeah.
Oh, this is some ritual stuff. Did you watch the, like, Wayward on Netflix?
No, I didn't.
Wait, you've heard of it?
No, I don't even watch it too much.
They like unlock their minds by painting a wall against a door against the wall, and they try to like imagine they're going through it.
We could try to do that in this house.
A secret you're keeping.
So what happened with the roof, just to satisfy some curiosity, there was obviously an issue in this piping here.
Right.
And then when they repaired the leak, they just didn't put the drywall back.
What is this wood? Like, I've never
This is
seen
the actual framing of the house.
Is this always look like this?
This is so common in East Van for garages,
Okay.
unfinished basements. This is so common.
So a few more questions. A lot of questions in this video.
Yeah.
Very shocking. Number one, why is this door like bolted?
For security.
Okay. Number two, who is sitting on this chair? And why was it placed here?
I think we had another person in here who was shorter, but I don't know why you would need this. But anyway, this is you know, the release to open the garage door.
Yeah, no
Maybe
one is short enough to need a chair to pull that.
I don't know who was here last.
Must be a kid. Why is there a gasoline container? All of this is just adding up into something, man.
Adding value. No, but we will, jokes aside, we're gonna get this all removed by completion date. So there's a lot of miscellaneous things throughout the years that obviously pile up in the home, and Richard and I put it all here.
You know, it's hard for old people to move out.
Yeah.
Who is the one that made the decision that this needs to be sold?
The owner passed away, unfortunately.
Okay.
So obviously it's a lot of work to bring the house back up, and the kids have their own lives, have their own families. So,
Right.
you know, it's just better to liquidate in this case.
Okay, I'm gonna stop breathing this in. Let's check out the upstairs. I don't know how this can get any worse. I mean, that was pretty bad.
What are you talking about? It's not bad at all.
Okay, upstairs. Oh, at least it's big. This is really big, actually. What's the size of this place?
Let's run over the lot square footage and then the total square footage. So lot square footage is just under 3,500 square feet. And then the home itself is just over 2,000.
You can explain this? Is it a feature or is it a bug?
Design Q 10 out of 10. Look, it matches with the area. Look, we even have a security up here. But only half the window.
I think now we know what the security is for. It's for the people inside. Because the outside person can still break in, right? It's to prevent the inside person from getting out. Now we know why all of this is on the inside of the windows.
The funny thing is that none of the downstairs windows that we saw with this, they don't open. So it's not like a child lock to prevent them from falling out. Because those windows don't open. These windows do. So this could be a child restraint system that prevents
Yeah, but it
them
makes sense. Anyways, preventing people from getting out, not from
Falling.
people from getting in.
Yeah, I mean for upstairs, yeah.
Yeah, downstairs also I think preventing people getting out. You can lock them from the outside, like just bolt the door.
Yeah, you could.
Yeah. So this is the washroom.
Washroom.
Well, it's actually better. Actually, it's actually pretty good. Look at this table here. It's like looks like not old. This looks pretty new. This toilet is actually in pretty good condition. I'd imagine something terrible. Is it mold that's black? Like, or is it the, what color? I didn't see.
It's grime.
What is grime?
I mean, the textbook definition of grime, I can't really say, but I would say it's a buildup of, you know, miscellaneous dead skin, dust.
And it becomes hard?
Yeah.
Oh. This is cute. It's like a robot. Yeah, some of this cabinetry is not good. This could do well in some homes. More like pretty, I mean, at this point it is antique. You just
you could put that in an antique store, no problem.
What is this? I've never seen this roof. It's not popcorn. It's like it's like glue.
There's a name for it.
A bunch of glue. First time seeing a roof like this.
It escapes me right now. Well, let's head this way.
Okay.
Into the living room.
Which way? Over here?
So this could either be a secondary living room, TV room, formal dining space.
I really enjoy this actually, you know?
This is a nice space.
It's really rare that we can find homes and I'm just never seen, or like, it shocks me.
Yeah. You're very rarely lost for words, but I did it here today, guys.
Yeah. I'm wondering if you can keep showing me homes that will make me lost for words. The duplexes, I don't think I'll ever be lost for words on a duplex.
All right, there's a feature in this kitchen that I think is great, but it's super outdated. Let's see if Alex can find it.
Can you explain what a feature means?
It's a usable part of the kitchen that helps you cook.
What do you mean?
Something you don't see anymore. I mean, you see countertops and everywhere. You see stoves everywhere.
Okay, like general.
It's
like
outdated.
Stove,
it's done.
countertop.
Yep, it's outdated technology now, but it was very common when this home was built. No,
What is
sir.
What is that?
I don't even know what that is.
Where is it? Do I have to touch the cupboards? Is it in plain sight?
Yeah, it's in plain sight. All right.
Okay, what is it?
Built-in chopping board.
I have to touch it.
Yeah.
I asked if I had to touch the cupboards.
I thought I said yes.
You said no, I don't have to touch it. You said it's in plain sight.
Oh, I mean like, yeah, okay, maybe my bad.
So how does this work? I mean, it can't even hold weight on it.
You can't.
It tilt down, and then if you like start pushing down, it's gonna snap.
Well, I think it comes out for cleaning or replacement.
I think it's actually not bad in terms of, I wouldn't cut on
Look,
here.
it's so sturdy now.
I would take it out, put it on here, cut, and then put it back in. But the problem is this.
Well, germs. But what I would
You
do.
wash it. You don't wash your cutting board?
I mean,
scrub it with soap every time.
Well, what I imagine is that you actually have another actual cutting board and you put it on top of this surface and it just allows for more counter space. That's what I was thinking.
But this,
I wouldn't actually cut on this, that'd be gross.
You have less counter space when this is pulled out because you can't reach your stuff. And we're already tall. Imagine if someone's shorter. Yeah, you're tall, and also you're over here, right? When you're cutting, you're not standing over here, you're standing on this side.
I mean, they actually did use it. You can see the knife marks, but that's kind of gross.
But the problem with using it is, how do you replace this? Because you need just the right size of wood, and you need this whole, it's like a whole thing you can't replace.
A saw, man. I could make this in 5 minutes.
Okay. Make it. So there's a back door.
Get schmooing.
Oh, finally! The gate thing is on the outside here.
Oh no?
Oh, this is pretty big land. So you said the house was 2,000 square feet and the lot was how much?
Just under 35.
That's so small. Why does it feel so big? It's so wide.
No, it's long. It's actually not wide.
It's pretty wide.
The width is standard. So as you can see, that house is actually the exact same.
Which house?
Beside us.
Uh-huh.
It's the same blueprint, but they added a deck.
Oh, yeah, that's a good use of space. Always build up. Okay, so that door is bolted for absolutely no good reason.
Security.
That could have been a usable door. I don't know when's the last time I saw grass growing out of the driveway. In the driveway. Is that a design cue or a bug?
Have you seen the luxury builds where they put grass on the roof?
Yes.
This is a take on that.
I think they should put fake grass, not real grass.
They put real grass?
They should put fake grass, because real grass is too much maintenance. It just turns yellow and dies and looks ugly.
And you know, everybody talks about environmentalism these days. You know, if you want to dry your clothes, look at this. I think it's seized.
Whoa. Man, we should check out more East Van homes.
Yeah,
Actually,
I think
we should
so.
keep going east. Is it gonna get cooler and cooler?
It's gonna get way better.
Oh my God. The smell.
I don't know, it might be bad. I can't even smell it, what you're talking about.
Yeah, I think if you live in a place that has, you get used to it.
This is my third one this week like this.
Okay, are we still missing anything? We still have 2 more rooms.
Yeah,
it's
2 more
actually
bedrooms.
so big. I don't know why you said it's only 2,000 and the outside, it feels so big.
This is exactly why people got so much for their money and the plans were readily available at the city for like $15.
This is actually pretty decent, like, if everything's working here.
The hands have gone in the pocket. Check out this bedroom. This one is the largest of all of them.
This is a bedroom?
Yeah.
Who put the couch here?
It's huge. What?
Who put the couch here?
Maybe a film crew. There's some staining on it.
This is not the owners? Like,
There's some
has
white
stuff happened after it's been vacated?
I don't know about that.
Like, how long has, oh, you don't know?
We've had it for a while,
Oh.
but I don't know prior to that.
Oh, you were, it was listed before they moved out.
No, I mean, it's been vacant for at least 7-8 months.
Okay.
It's been on the market for
and
like
vacant
4 or 5
means
months.
they moved out.
Yeah, like the family has took their personal belongings and then, but then nobody was living here in that like 8 months ago.
Oh, so no one was living here, but stuff was here.
They're coming like in and out still, like.
I see. Okay.
So like get vacant, I'd say vacant maybe like truly vacant like a year,
Okay.
but like family is not coming in and out and stuff like that
Right.
since like 8 months ago.
Okay. Why
The
did someone
answer-
buy this home? Would anyone ever move in here for 1.6 million?
Not for 1.6, but I could see somebody, I mean, there are homes like tenanted this way. Pretty original homes.
Tenanted?
I mean, if your question is would people live in a home like this? Most of East Van is pretty,
No, would a person who will
buys
buy
it.
this home and then move in, not like just
1.6?
live here
No,
from
no.
the original.
I wouldn't say so.
Okay, so they gotta redevelop it.
Yeah. For this area, we're really close to Ninth Street. We're really close to Victoria Drive. We're actually right on, pretty much on Victoria Drive.
Right.
Access to Richmond, access to East Van is like 10 minutes.
I wonder if how is the next generation of people gonna buy homes? Because they have to buy something like this and do something. Like,
No, they would buy that for example, like again, the duplexes that we saw that are priced about 1.6. So you obviously don't get as
But
much.
you'll never get this size.
No.
If anyone in this generation that's not loaded, like the average population,
Yeah.
if they wanted something this size, they would need 2 people's income, mortgage this, but they need to put in their own time and effort to make it livable.
For sure.
That's the only way to get something this size.
Yeah.
For the average earner.
All right, Alex, we saw the cracks in the driveway. We saw the carpets that I pulled up downstairs, the very large garage, the great bedrooms, the amazing kitchen. How do you feel it went?
Okay, first of all, one question. How many phone numbers do you have?
My own personal?
Yeah, how many phone numbers do you have? 2?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna block one of them.
Okay.
You only get one more chance after this. Okay.
Okay.
All right. See you next time.
So it was great.